This is SuperTwins TV, and these are Lego light stacks.
Let's open up. I want to see it.
Which we don't know. Break up. Then sure.
I think you should probably open it flat. Just to let you know, we already opened it, so the wrappers are open and they fall out. Okay, let's take a look. So they come with a rechargeable
Hey, it's a Lego tool.
battery pack.
Yeah, it's a Lego tool.
Yeah, and
like
apparently a Lego tool.
This is a black Lego tool. And this is the base.
There's a base with a little switch on it.
I'll show you some cool things. So this is just on, flash. But, oh, it makes some noise.
It's sound activated.
So literally
And drop activated.
whatever sound it hears, mostly copies
Why don't you guys build something?
the same thing.
Instead of just standing there. Put some
I'm gonna
pieces
build
together.
something.
Let's take a look.
I'm gonna build something. Well, there's like little things inside that are so.
Let's move this out of the way so that we can see what you're building.
Hey, but the pieces are in there.
Oh, let's put it there.
There's little things in there that I turned it off so it doesn't waste the battery. It looks like normal Lego, and I'll get some normal Lego to show you a cool thing.
Light stacks.
But light stacks are almost the same as normal. So I have a normal
So they're
Lego.
compatible with regular Legos.
And look it!
And how you have to do it is this black little square that he has in the middle there is a battery that's rechargeable by USB micro.
Cable.
I just looked at the cable.
That's it.
And then each piece has little circuits on it that connect to the underlying piece. So when you flip them together,
They light up.
they complete the circuit.
And
So
also,
it's kind of like wiring.
and it's also like it's almost like see-through bricks, where like you turn on the light and the light goes through the bricks, like a plastic bag.
Ta-da!
Hey, it comes with
Okay, put it on the table, Tice.
It comes with 8 long bricks and
Make it flash.
Make it flashy washy. And make it sound activated.
Okay, now it has a fade in and fade out one. Do it one more. And it goes.
Sound.
And now sound activated. Just put it on the table. Nope. It's laugh activated. Okay, that might have been a little loud. I have an idea. Let's turn off some of these lights in our fancy studio and try it in the dark.
Oh.
Okay, turn it on.
Sound activated.
Woo!
Do sound activated. Ninja, 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 ninja at the top for nightmares.
Oh yeah, that's pretty neato.
Do sound activated. Ah! Where the sound activated? Where did my hair go?
I found some hair here.
Wait, I need the sound activated. Thanks. Be quiet. Hey, where did it
The cool part is you can add these to other Lego sets.
Oh.
So maybe we should take a Lego set and make it a light up Lego set. Wow!
That's a good noise.
Boo-boo! Boo-boo! Boo-boo!
Ah, this is my real noise. No.
So we added it to another Lego set.
No.
And we have it on sound activated. Can you just turn it on to regular on?
Okay, I'll do
The switch is
it.
on the back now. What do you have in your mouth, Tice?
Turn it on. Out of your mouth.
Okay, it's on. So that's pretty cool.
And now
And now how about you guys build the tallest tower you can? Turn it on. Whoa. Dun, 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 dun.
And do now sound activated.
Is it sound activated now?
No, it isn't.
Put it on sound activated and then we'll sing.
Oh yeah. Go.
Oh, that's pulsing. Who's good at singing?
Me.
Okay, beginning of the song. La 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 la.
Oh God.
Oh no, you broke it!
I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I have a feeling I didn't eat.
I have a great idea. Let's use it as a lightsaber. Who wants to try?
Me.
Vroom, vroom, zoom, zoom, vroom. And that's it. We're done. SuperTwins TV is officially over.